Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we will be discussing how to download ESIC e-Pehchan card. How to download ESIC e-Pehchan card. Every company with 10 or more employees with an individual salary less than or equal to 21,000 per month should have an ESI registration. For an employee to avail ESI benefit, it is the responsibility of the organization to issue e-Pehchan card to all the employees who are covered under ESI. As we already know that an employer whose employee strength is 10 or more is covered under ESI, but only the individuals whose salary is less than or equals to 21,000 per month is eligible to avail ESI benefits. But to avail the ESI benefits, it is the responsibility of the organization to issue a e-Pehchan card for all the employees who are covered under ESI. Let us know and understand the process of downloading the ESIC e-Pehchan card. Step-by-step process to download ESIC e-Pehchan card. Friends, in this video we will be seeing the step-by-step process to download e-Pehchan card both theoretically as well as practically. First, let us see the theoretical process, then followed by the practical process. Firstly, we need to open ESI portal www.esic.in and click on Employer Login and enter ESIC username and password followed by captcha code. Close all the extra windows that pop up since they are not important. After logging into the portal under the category Employee, click on the link e-Pehchan card. You can use this process every time to download e-Pehchan card for any employee to the ESI scheme so that they can receive all the ESI benefits. A new window will open View Generate Counterfoils for registered employees, where we need to enter the insurance number of the insured person and click on View button. Then the details of the insured person will be displayed below, which consists the details of the insured person. Now click on the link View Counterfoil. A new window called as e-Pehchan card will open, which consists of complete details of the insured person and family. At the bottom, you will find a print button. Click on it and download or print the e-Pehchan card. After printing the e-Pehchan card, put the signature of the employer with stamp and then share with the respective employee. So hope you understood the step-by-step process to download e-Pehchan card theoretically. Let us now move to the practical part. First, open the Google search engine, enter ESIC login. Click on the website esic.in, come to employer login, enter the employer login details with the username followed by password, then captcha. Now click on login. Now we have entered the employer ESI portal. Close the extra windows which are not important. Now under the employee category, come to e-Pehchan card option. Click on e-Pehchan card. A new window will open where it is called as View or Generate Counterfoils for the registered employees. Now we need to enter the insurance number of the insured person. After entering the insurance number of the insured person, click on View. After clicking on the View button, the registered employee details will be displayed. Now come to View Counterfoil and click on View Counterfoil. Here a new window will be displayed that called as e-Pehchan card, which consists of all the details of the employee like name, father name, marital status, disability, date of birth, address, gender, dispensary details, and the employer details like name and address, and also the family details who are related to insured person. There is an option called signature of the registered employee, wherein the employee need to sign it over here, and we need to affix the family photograph of the insured person with a signature and stamp of the employer. Now the e-Pehchan card is ready. Now we need to click on print button and print the e-Pehchan card, or we can even save the e-Pehchan card. The e-Pehchan card is saved, so we can open the e-Pehchan card. This is how the e-Pehchan card looks like. Here we need to sign and stamp of the ESI officer or employer. So here the employer has to be signed and stamp and share this e-Pehchan card with the insured person. So dear friends, we have completed the process to download ESI e-Pehchan card both theoretically as well as practically. Hope you have understood. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.